Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Beast Mode channel. Please subscribe. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 BMW 5 Series, a luxury sedan that blends performance, technology, and style in one sleek package. Let's dive into everything this car has to offer. Exterior shots. First off, let's talk about the exterior. BMW has taken a bold yet elegant approach with the new 5 Series. The front end features a refined kidney grille, slightly larger than before but not overdone. The sleek LED headlights now integrate seamlessly into the design, giving it a more aggressive stance. The side profile is smooth and aerodynamic, with sculpted lines that flow beautifully from front to rear. Moving to the back, you'll notice the modern LED taillights that wrap around the edges, adding to the car's dynamic presence. BMW also offers a variety of wheel options, ranging from stylish 18-inch designs to sportier 21-inch alloys, depending on the trim level. Interior shots. Stepping inside, the 2025 5 Series is a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. BMW has refined the cabin with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting that sets the mood. The dashboard is dominated by a curved digital display that merges the infotainment system and driver's instrument cluster into one seamless panel. The iDrive 8.5 system is intuitive and packed with features, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an improved voice assistant. The seats are plush and supportive, offering heating, cooling, and even massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom, making long trips comfortable. Plus, the optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Performance shots. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 BMW 5 Series offers multiple powertrain options. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 255 horsepower. If you're looking for more power, the 3.0-liter inline-six with mild hybrid technology delivers a smooth yet punchy 375 horsepower. And for those who crave even more performance, the M550i xDrive, with its twin-turbo V8, pumps out a thrilling 523 horsepower. The ride is incredibly balanced, with precise steering and a suspension setup that absorbs bumps while keeping the car agile through corners. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip, making it a joy to drive in any condition. Price and closing. Pricing for the 2025 BMW 5 Series starts at around $60,000 for the base model, while higher trims with more features and performance upgrades can push past $80,000. With its blend of luxury, technology, and thrilling performance, the new 5 Series continues to set the benchmark in its class. So, what do you think of the 2025 BMW 5 Series?